My name is Clarence. I used to be an all-rounder person. In the past, secret society was a part of my everyday life where they can protect me and be with me. But things turned out differently as I did things that I'm not supposed to do, which leads to a dead end. That causes me to fall out with my friends, classmates and relatives. Life was different with these people. The things my mother taught me, they say it was a lie. To me, everything was like a secret. Every path I took, it takes away bit by bit of me. Everybody has a past. Some are beautiful, some are sad. I was confused between the facts and lies, freedom and imprisonment. But what makes mine a difference is that I took someone I love for granted. Not my friends, not my brothers, but the one who gave life to me. Seeing people suffer was my satisfaction in the past. I was getting into problems, chasing other people. I did not hold back a punch. How I wish I could turn back time, back into history, and not did what I did in the past. I used to think that brotherhood was more important than family members. All I could think of is to be with my brothers until something tragically happened. As she left her last words for me.
To my beloved son, I miss you so much, and I wish I did more to help you. Even though we didn't get things we and everybody wanted, I want you to know I do everything for you, and I love you very much. No matter how far you fall, I will still love you with all my heart. So I want you to stand up by yourself and get your life together on your own. That's all I wish for. Loves, Mom.
Now, all I want is to be with you, back like how things were before. Please, forgive me. I know I've took you for granted, but now I want to change. Please, let me be with you again.